Dropshipping is dead. Start this business using AI instead. This allows you to work.
Don't start SMMA in 2024. Do this instead. I shut down my 30K a month.
Stop buying crypto on centralized exchanges.
This is why you are confused about which online business to start in 2024. And if you want to know what actually works in 2024, then comment what below this video and I tell you exactly what I did to go from $20,000 in debt to $25 million in less than 2.5 years. Let me ask you, how many videos have you already seen this week about becoming successful and rich? Today, Instagram is full with that. Like back in the days as I started my first business in Denmark. But the thing was, and almost is, why isn't everybody rich and successful if all of that is so easy? After I tried every business you could imagine, I found out why. Just watch the video and I explain it to you. It's so obvious.